Hey guys, George Souris, Empire Legal. 6th of March today, we have Cyclone Alfred imminent, set to hit the Queensland coast as early as tonight, somewhere between Brisbane and Gold Coast. I've done a blog this week specifically on natural disasters, delay events. We're going to be talking about a couple of special conditions that can protect your deal, and I'm going to unpack how they work and how they can help you make sure your buyers and sellers can still get contracts on foot and protected. Click the link, read the blog. You can see behind me, I'm shooting from Coomera River down at Hope Island at the Gold Coast. Pretty windy here. Hopefully this audio sounds okay. Have a good day, everybody. Stay safe.